number one, it's just a headline. All right, relax. But number two goes back to your point. Like as with anything in business or investment related, diversifying is important, especially in the world of digital marketing. There's so many different avenues. These platforms are constantly evolving. Even if no platform gets banned, one platform might be good for you one day, right? Whereas next year, another platform might have completely pivoted its like operations and how they do things, and maybe now that platform is better for you, right? And now let's say you crush it on that platform. Maybe 4 years from now, that platform might have merged with someone, or they might have been sold, they might not exist, so you might have to trace another strategy. So going back to Russ's point, you should be focused on diversifying as much as possible, not diversifying excessively to the point that you lose like your authentic touch, where you lose thinking about like, okay, where are you most, like where are you and your brand the best fit? Because we do see that happening, right? Where people excessively diversify, where there's platforms that they just should not be on, just because it's not true to their authentic nature, and then they try to do well on it, and then they fail, so they blame that platform, but it's really just a bad business decision.